What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Project Miata. Today we're working back on the old girl and we're going to be doing some exterior mods. I have a it's a toe strap anyways, and I got this stubby antenna to install because some imbecile bent mine over Halloween. I don't know if you can see that, but it looks ridiculous and it makes the car look like an RC car, and I can't have that. So we're gonna be doing those two things today. So, it's delicious. All right, so the little antenna didn't come with any instructions, but it should just unscrew from here. All right, there it is. 50 bucks takes it. All right, let's just move this back.
I wonder if this will work. Oh my god, it looks already 100 times better. I should have before and after shot. I was like thinking.
All right, we got her in there. All right, Shorty antenna versus regular antenna. Cool. It's like shit. An eighth of the size of that. My God. Damn, it looks good. All right, let's see if we still get radio stations though. Take it off aux.
I feel like the other one gave me more channels. Doesn't even give you the freaking. Oh, there we go.
Well, I guess it works. That's all we came really to know. Good job, stubby antenna. Shout out to this video getting copyrighted. Mac! That went on like way easier than I expected to, because nothing on this car's ever easy. All right, so now we're gonna install the Tanaka toe strap. In order to install the Tanaka toe strap on your Miata, you're gonna wanna remove one of these so we don't look so faggy. And I believe it's just one bolt back right in there. So let's do that quick. Okay, don't know if you can see this, but you see those 3 bolts right there? Actually, it looks like there should be one more even up there. It's holding that front fang in. So, and these are 15, so we're gonna have to remove those quick. Ratchet extensions are the best thing I have ever purchased. We already get it. Now my big fat hand's in the way. This is quality cinematography. This is exactly why you guys came here. Thumbnail right here. All right, 2 are out. I actually had to remove a little bit of this plastic guard and a little bit of this other bolt. You can see that it started taking out to get behind there. And there's one more back there, if you can see it. That one's gonna be a pain. So let's get her out. And by the way, it's a 14 out of 15. I lied to you all. I'm sorry. Oh yeah, I'm about to use the internet's least favorite tool. A crescent wrench. The comments.
You know, Mac, that's bad for the ball. You could strip the ball. It's not the ideal tool to use.
Whatever. Everybody, I have a 15 mil wrench. So we're good. On the real though, if anybody wants to, send me a set of metric wrenches, it'd be much appreciated. Much, much appreciated. Oh yeah, it's coming. Oh yeah. I think. Come on. Come on, little boat. Just fall down. God, I did it. Should be able to. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes. Easily 20 pounds removed. That's pure weight reduction, bro. Pure. And we're gonna be replacing it with this. Hashtag JDM, hashtag race car, hashtag. Yes. Alrighty, well there you have it. Don't use this bolt because it's too big. I don't really know what you'd use this for. Probably on a Honda because, you know, Honda's life. And if we go under here, I have buttoned everything up. As you can see, got these bolts back where they belong, and it looked the best, unfortunately, in the hardest spot. But, you know, you gotta do it for the looks and those Instagram likes. So all in all, pretty easy install. Probably would have went better if I just jacked up the car, but it wasn't too bad. So we did the toe strap, and we also did this. We did some exterior mods. Looks good. Car's coming together. I'm happy about it. Oh yeah. Thank you for watching.